Hello dear students, let's start EVS 1, lesson number 11, our need for air. Can you tell? Can you solve this riddle? Okay, let's see. There is something there. It is to be found up and down and all around. You can't touch it, you can't see it. But sure as sure you can name it. Do you know what is the name of this riddle? It is up and down. It is all around. What is that? Yes, it is air. See, air, where is air? It is up also, it is down also, and it is all around us. You cannot touch it. Can you touch air? No. Can you see air? No. Means what is the name of this riddle? It is air. Now see these two children. What they are doing? They are blowing balloon. What did you fill into it? What did they fill into the balloon? They fill air. Let's see air. There is air all around us. As we solve this riddle, what this riddle told us? There is air up also, down also, and all around. Let's see this first line. What it tells? It tells there is air all around us. Through we can feel it. Yes, we can feel it, but we cannot see it. Air does not have color, smell or taste. Does air have color? No. Does it have smell? No. Does it have taste? No. This is information about air. New terms. Inhalation. What does inhalation mean? We breathe in air through our nose. That is inhalation. Let's see this picture. What this boy is doing? He is taking air in through his nose. This is called inhalation. Let's see exhalation. We breathe out air through the nose. That is exhalation. Let's see this boy what he is doing. He throw air out through his nose. That is exhalation. Let's see respiration. Inhalation and exhalation are together called breathing. Let's see. Taking breath in or breathe out together called respiration. We breathe continuously. We breathe continuously. Can we take break? No. Next, why do we breathe? Why do we breathe? Do you know? Because we need our body to function properly. If we will not breathe properly, we will get many problems of breathing. That's why we need air. When we breathe in, what do? We take air into our body. Air makes us feel fresh and lively. Air is necessary for our body to get vigor. Why do we need air? To feel vigor means air give us strength or energy to work properly. Like us means like human beings, all other living things also need air. other living things which wild animal, domestic animal, birds, they also need air. If we look carefully, we can see a dog's chest also going up and down. Why dog's chest goes up and down? Because dog also breathe. It tells us that animal also breathe. Next, let's see the following image. What is there? There is fish. And where fish lives? In water. Can you tell me? Can fish breathe? Yes, fish can breathe inside the water. But how this is possible? Let's see this line. What it tells us? Fish are able to use the air that is dissolved in water. Means inside the water, means it is mixed. Air is mixed with water, and fish are able to use this air inside the water. Means fish also breathe. Many people keep fish in a glass, that is called fish tank or aquarium. It is always full of water. The fish in the aquarium, as you can see, this is aquarium, use the air dissolved in the water for breathing. If some water can reduce means making less inside the aquarium, what will happen? Fish will use air, whatever is in a tank. After using all the air, what will happen? Fish would die. Therefore, more air is continuously added to the water in the aquarium. That is why air bubbles rising up through the water in fish tank. I think so all of you can saw air bubbles inside the aquarium. Try this with the help of your parents. Take half glass of clean water and a small piece of newspaper sheet. Roll it and make a straw. It should be 10 cm long. Dip one end of straw into the water. The other end should be in your mouth. What you have to do? You have to blow with your mouth. What do you see? Bubbles. Let's see this. Bubbles are rising up. What does this tell us? You blew air into the water. The air rose up. See, rose up. It's coming up and escape in the form of bubble. Means your air become bubble inside the water. Hope you understood our lesson. Thank you.